Introducing the Hyundai SANTO, the future of compact cars. Eye-catching metallic silver design and advanced features. Introduction. Market significance of Hyundai SANTO. What viewers can expect in the video. Presentation of problem or challenge. Common issues in compact cars. How Hyundai SANTO solves them. Exploration, development. Exterior design and aerodynamics. Lighting and headlamps. Interior ergonomics and comfort. Technology and infotainment features. Climax or key moment. Driving dynamics and handling. Advanced braking and suspension. Fuel efficiency and eco-friendly engine. Driving or riding feel. Seating position and ergonomics. Steering and pedal layout. City and highway performance. Conclusion or summary. Stylish exterior and comfortable interior. Safety, technology, and performance highlights. Overall driving experience. Call to action, CTA. Like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Hub 09. Invite viewers to share thoughts on driving the SANTO. Encourage engagement and watching more content.